Hi, this is Braniya, and today the architecture students have taken over the principal's parking space to create a mini urban park. Let's see it come to life. On September 16th, students from Baltimore Design School and around the globe participated in Parking Day, where public parking spots are transformed into temporary public parks. The idea is to talk about ways to rethink urban spaces and to promote changes in urban infrastructure. Hey, I'm here with Aniyah. She's the one who designed this project. What is your project all about?
This project is about making a parking spot into a place where people can interact and sit down, talk. It's just like a way to give back. At first, I didn't think it was going to be this big. I thought it was going to be way smaller. But now that I see it, I really liked it. I didn't think it was going to come out right, but it did. And I'm very proud of what I created. At first, it was going to be a rectangle outline, but then we thought of it can tip over, so we made it into more of a triangle shape.
A couple weeks ago, students voted on the design, made the elements and pieces, and then built the whole project in one class period.
It's fun having design, and I can do all my best to kind of encourage them to design, but putting all the skills that we've learned, building all these pieces separately, and then coming out and actually erecting it in the one day and seeing them all, everybody out here smiling and building and working together is really the most important part, and it's just fun to see it all come to fruition.
Teamwork played a big role in the project and completed in one class period, and Aniyah provided the leadership to oversee the project.
It was really a teamwork thing. I just wasn't the only one saying do this, do this. It was more of everybody working on one part of the structure. Some people worked on the signage so people can see what this whole thing is about.
It was definitely fun to me putting it together. There were a few things that had to be fixed, but it wasn't really much of a problem. We had a lot of pieces that we had to put together, and so for us to be able to have so many teams move so fluently and so efficiently, making the pieces, it really helped.
You see, it's very tall. I wasn't gonna be able to do this by myself.
Wow, this has been really impressive. To see the creativity and teamwork backed by a sense of purpose for students and staff is amazing. This has been Braniya from the City School Student Media Team. See ya.